How's it going? I'm here for day one of Fergal's Tune a Day. Happy New Year, everyone. For this series of Tune a Day, I'm doing it slightly differently because I don't have a finish date in mind. I'm just going to start and keep going until I run out of tunes. So hopefully you'll stick with me through this musical journey. If you would like to support the project, I have set up a Patreon to help along the way. I really want to get out and to collaborate with as many musicians as possible, and especially getting to work with young musicians was so rewarding and so much fun during previous years that I want to do as much of that as possible, and your support will really help to make that happen. I'm going to play a tune today called the Stoney Steps, one of my favourite reels, and I'm not really sure how I skipped over it in previous years, but we'll give it a go today. Thanks a million. See you tomorrow for day two.